Hey there you guys, Barbara Blanco here, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to make the flower of life or the Himalayan flower. And this is kind of how it would look like. This one's kind of messy, but still pretty good. Well, yeah, we're going to be showing you how to make these videos with my tío, Alan, and yeah, so...
Okay, Chantis, we're going to start doing some circles. Take your geometry. You just take your compass, you set it to a certain distance or, measurement. And you just practically make a circle, right? Well, what I do, my technique is I twist my fingers and I twist my arm. And then I just untwist it. Untwist my fingers first. As I'm going, I'm untwisting my arm as well. And then you set your middle point at any given point in the circle, and you'll see that it'll match with the first point that we used, because we're using the same distance in the compass. Now we use the intersections as the middle point. The same thing. Like a circle. We use the other intersection. Untwist your fingers. Now we got 4 intersections. These are the basics for your flower of life. That's what we're gonna get right now after we're done with the intersections.
The flower of life? And what's the name of the thing that you're using? The tool?
Compass?
Compass.
I believe so, yeah. In Spanish it's compás.
Compass in Spanish?
I believe it's compass.
In English, okay. That's the tool that you're using, right? You like doing that, Chantal? Y se ven más bonitos coloreados, ¿verdad? And then when you color it, it looks really, really nice. Let me show you the one that it's already finished.
I did more.
What's the name of this one?
Oh, that's just more circles. It's just circles. There's not a name for that one. It's just you do what you want.
It's the flower of life.
Yeah, it's just 3 of them. Well, there's more than 3, but if you there's one right here, one right here, and then another one right here.
Nice.
There's actually 5.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This one. So now, what's next on this one?
Oh, I kind of did more than I had to. Or
So
that right
it's
here.
like you keep going.
Yeah, you just. I mean, it's not necessarily like you're gonna. If you want to go for like making the flower of life, then you stop at right about there, and then you have right here your flower of life, But from there, you can just keep on going. I mean, even if you change the measurements, it'll still kind of look cool. Like this one, it's like 3 different sizes of that we use. Pretty much 3 different radiuses. Change the measurements. And it's not like perfect like the other ones. It looks kind of funky, but I don't know.
Nice.
Yeah, I like it.
It helps you to like relax and
Be creative.
be creative. Yeah, use some colors and be creative.
So, you guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!